Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to schedule an email in the new Outlook app. Now let's get started.
First, go ahead and open the Outlook application. Now, click on the New Email option to start composing your message. Go ahead and fill everything in, such as your email content, the subject, and of course your recipient. Once you are ready, look at the Send button. Instead of clicking it right away, click on the little downward arrow next to it. You'll see an option called Schedule Send. Go ahead and click that. Now you will get a few options. You can either pick a preset time or choose a custom date and time that works best for you. Maybe you want it to go out tomorrow morning or right at the start of the workday. It's totally up to you. Once you've selected your time, click send. And that's it. Your email won't be sent immediately. Instead, it will be saved in your drafts folder until the scheduled time arrives. From there, you can edit it, reschedule it, cancel it, or even send it right away if needed. Simple and flexible. And that's how you schedule an email in the new Outlook app.